Hi everybody, my name is Sampath Mishra. I'm the founder and CEO of Qmedic. Qmedic is a connected wearable computing platform that enables caregivers to proactively monitor the safety of high-risk patient populations. Our founding team is from MIT, namely from the Sloan School of Management and the MIT Media Lab. While I was at MIT, I was awarded the Patrick J. McGovern Student Entrepreneur of the Year Award for contributions to the MIT community. Qmedic is the second startup I've been involved with. I have over 10 years of experience in web, mobile, and now wearable computing companies. My co-founder Dave Nelson runs business development for us, and he's been instrumental in closing revenue-generating channel partnerships for us. And our CTO, Fahd Al-Banali, is an expert in wearable computing and machine learning, and he's won numerous awards for his work in power-efficient behavior detection. So when we came together at the Media Lab in 2010, wearable computing was little more than an abstract concept. And while it was popular in discussions at the Media Lab, it was largely unusable to the outside world, especially post-discharge patient populations. And among the world of Fitbits and Jawbones, we really saw no viable solutions targeting caregivers for this market. And this converges with the reality that our aging population is accelerating rapidly, prefers to live at home, while caregivers are increasingly distributed. So with Qmedic, we really want to focus on this problem, which is that care networks still lack the connectivity and context they need to proactively monitor patient safety in the home. And this is the problem that Qmedic is designed to solve. Qmedic's wearable computing platform is the first and only to calibrate personal patient baselines of motion, sleep, location, falls, and compliance metrics 24 hours a day, identify and predict deviations from those baselines, and escalate alerts and early warning signs in real time to the care network, including call centers, family caregivers, nursing stations, and population care managers. Sensor data can be transmitted seamlessly to the cloud via a two-way base station, which can be connected by the user in less than 2 minutes and requires zero software download in order to operate. Qmedic combines wearability, connectivity, and a context in a way that is extremely powerful for both the patient and the caregiver. And we've achieved awesome traction to date, including over $3 million from the NIH, strong partnerships with Northwestern Hospital and the Rehab Institute of Chicago. We have over 30 skilled nursing facilities referring our service to patients, and we recently closed a 3-year contract with an elder care agency representing over 10,000 Medicaid subscribers. Last but not least, we've signed an LOI with one of the largest distributors of home health technology services in the world, which has millions of global subscribers. Now, to this point, we focused our go-to-market strategy on disrupting the $2 billion medical alert market, which is comprised primarily of companies that provide help buttons but no proactive connectivity. And while a lot of startups have talked the talk about disrupting the space, Qmedic has walked the walk and delivered a service that is better, faster, and cheaper than the medical alert competition. And the reality is that medical alert is the perfect recurring revenue gateway for remote patient monitoring. We opened our paid beta nationwide in October 2014. We're currently generating between $25 and $30 per user per month for the service and gross margins of 60 to 70% per user. In the first month of 2015, we saw a 40% month-on-month jump in customer growth, and we've since sold out of all of our beta service kits. Now, what sets Qmedic apart from the competition are the power-efficient, context-aware algorithms that we've developed to calibrate baselines, identify deviation, and escalate early warning signs to the care network. This simply did not exist in post-acute care monitoring. And we've achieved one of the moonshots in wearable computing, in that our algorithms are sampling every minute of the day while extending sensor battery life to over 2 years without the need for recharge. I repeat, 2 years without the need for any sensor battery recharge. This does not exist in wearable computing. And if you think about what the value of that is that it enables us to monitor user compliance 24 hours a day, calibrate accurate and complete baselines of behavior, and sustain a recurring revenue business model. Our algorithms have been validated against the gold standard in behavior measurement, demonstrating over 90% accuracy in behavior detection while reducing power consumption by over 96%. And the market is validating the disruptive potential of Qmedic. Our distribution partner talks about how it's not only disruptive for the medical alert market, but can open up massive new revenue opportunities as the healthcare market moves away from fee-for-service towards outcomes-based payments. Now, over the past couple of years, there's been a lot of discussion about the Internet of Things and big data. For us, this really boils down to 3 key elements. 1 is connectivity, 2 is anomaly detection, and 3 is two-way service integration and escalation. We've captured all 3 of these elements in our platform, and so we're looking for investors and channel partners who share our vision, value our execution, and are looking to power the future of the connected home. Thank you so much, and well, I guess there's no questions, so thank you.